Welcome back to the channel, guys, and before the video gets started, I do want to give you guys the details on the giveaway. Once again, thank you guys so much for helping to reach 1,000 subscribers. This wouldn't be done without you guys, so I'm real appreciative of you guys for that. And with that being said, guys, we are going to be having a giveaway, and that giveaway, guys, is going to consist of a carbon fiber set from, or not a set, it's going to be a dashboard or center console of your choosing for your S550 or S197. And for 6 cents is going to be giving away a pack of air fresheners of your choice. So it's going to be, the winner gets 2 things, guys. So one winner, you get 2 things. And the way to join and win, guys, is you are going to have to be following both Wicked Fiber and 6 cents on Instagram. And I think Wicked Fiber is going to have a post with my car on it, so be on the lookout for that. You're going to have to go ahead and like that post, that picture of my car, guys, and the description is going to be there with the instructions and what to follow. And you're going to have to tag 3 friends, and you have a limited entries. You can do like 20 entries and tag 3 people, so 60. You can tag 60 friends. You have 60 friends on Instagram, and you're gonna have 20 entries. So there's unlimited entries, guys. Once again, follow Wicked Fiber, like the picture, tag 3 friends, and 6 cents. You gotta make sure you are following them. And I am gonna be checking, guys, if you are a winner. Let's say a random name, Mario wins the giveaway. I'm gonna be checking if Mario is following the pages and tag 3 friends and like the post, guys. You have to follow the rules. If you don't follow the rules, you're gonna be disqualified, and I'm gonna do the giveaway once again. So be on the lookout for that, guys. Thanks again for helping me reach 1,000 subscribers. Next goal is 2,500, and maybe at 2,500 I'll give away a car mod. I don't know. I mean, sounds pretty exciting. At 2,500, I turned 1,000 was already a milestone for me, guys. So thanks for that. I'm real appreciative about that. But just let's get on with the video. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back for a brand new video. So it is that time of the month, guys. Well, not that time of the month. It's the 3rd week of the month, which means we are going to RGV show off. But today, guys, before heading off, I did get a quick mod in, and I'm going to try to get it in before we take off to the meet. That's something to get myself into. Whenever I get a mod, I need to try to install it ASAP. I can't wait. Obviously, it's getting dark. I still need to get the car washed and ready for the show. We are going to be swapping out this 3rd brake light right here. It's pretty toasted, pretty messed up. I did order this one right here off of eBay. Look at this, way better. And it actually fits the rest of the car with these tail lights. It just looks so, it's gonna look so much better. What happened here, guys, is the sun ate these things up. It oxidized pretty bad. I did get the tint done, but I didn't record it because it's not as fun as watching some other stuff, other content. But there you go, I did get 25% on the front windows, and I did get limo in the rear. So it is looking pretty dark in here, way better. You can see the difference between this one and this one. And the rear, I did get limo. The tint, guys, was like purple. It was really bad. Look at this. Let me see. I got a piece right here for you guys. And look at this. That was my old tint. Look at the freaking difference between my old tint and the new tint. This had to be done. That's what I was talking about. I've been neglecting the car way too much. Too many flaws. I need to get all this repainted. My wife one time opened the door and scratched up right here on the sidewalk. It nicked the paint. That's right there. You guys already know the problem I have with the hood, bubbling and chipping. I need to get all this fixed. There's paint missing over here. I need to get my front bumper repainted, touched up, because I'm getting some orange peel going on there. Windshield is cracked from all this right here across that way, and I do have another one going up. The roof does need to get polished or just paint corrected. It is pretty nasty. We got to get that done. We are getting the 3rd brake light done, like I said, right there. So it's coming along. Oh, I'm still missing one mod, and I have it over here. Just a quick update, guys. We do have, oh, I don't want to show too much, but there's a mod coming up, so stay tuned for that one. That is going on in the car. I'm just waiting for one other piece before we get started. Those are some of the flaws, guys, that y'all don't see, but I do want to get fixed up, because when we do go to car meets, I do want the car looking tip top. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and take that out of the way, get it cleaned up, and we're ready to go. Showed you the worst part. Look at this, guys. We tried installing my California Special when I first got the car. Look at these nasty holes. They're really bad. There's rusting going on there. You can tell it's all over here. So more bad drilling right there. So never let me do y'all's spoiler, guys, because I did a horrible job But that's, I need to get this fixed as well, the whole trunk. I need to get probably these re-drilled, or at least making the holes look a lot better, so I can add some of these, and maybe taking off those bolts and get some new bolts in, because they are looking pretty bad. If you guys are wondering how to do this, just in case y'all didn't know, you take off all these little tabs that are there, little push pins, and then you just use a Phillips screwdriver for that one and that one, and it should come off pretty easy. Disconnect this one, connect the new one, which is that one right there, and it plugs in play, and you should have a new one. So I'm gonna catch up to you guys in 3, 2, 1, and there you go, guys, all done. I did run into some little issues. I ended up breaking the old tail light just because there was like 3M stuck right here, and you can see where it came off. But I did end up breaking all the pieces, but it's whatever, it's trash anyways, and it just looks so much better. Look at that, way better. I did get these off of eBay for about 55 bucks, and there's an alternative route which is probably a lot cheaper, and it's for 15 bucks. But I think, in my opinion, this looks a lot better. They are LED, so it is better than having the regular stock bulb. The LEDs are brighter and they last longer, and they are energy efficient, so way better than the regular stock bulb. But you can pick them up. I'll leave the link in the description where you can go ahead and pick those up on eBay. Not sponsored by them or anything, but here you have it. Looks so good. I didn't even check if they work. Let me see if these work real quick. I don't know if they work, man. I have to look back at the video. Go ahead and check it out. There you go. Do it once more. And they work, guys. The bumper's off. I know I told you guys we were going to be heading out to RGB show off this week or today, but it got canceled due to weather conditions. I don't see how. I mean, it's kind of cloudy. It's in the 70s. I don't know. I guess the weather forecast is something different, and people decided to cancel it just in case. But I'm here at my friend Efrain's house. Go ahead and check him out at Forgotten Foxbody on YouTube. He's the one helping me out with this. He does have a Project Fox that he's working on, and slowly he's getting there. So go ahead and check his channel out. And we did get a package in from Street Aero. Right there, the packaging, guys, was A1, super good, so you don't have to worry about anything getting damaged if you order anything from Street Aero. I am not sponsored by them, but if Street Aero is watching this, go ahead and shoot me up an offer, and I'll be willing to work with you guys on any future projects. But we do have here, guys, a front splitter, obviously for the front bumper. Something different, I did order the support rods off of eBay. I was looking for a good set, but people recommended them to me, and I don't know where I left them. Oh, right here. So I did get them in black just to match with the rest of the car. Played it safe and went with black. So everything's off, and we're just gonna go ahead and get started with drilling onto the bumper, which is the scariest part. Well, we're gonna remove this one because I decided to go without this splitter. It took me like 20 minutes debating whether to leave it on or off. I think it just looks a lot better without it. That one right there. So we're gonna take it off, and we're gonna start drilling this baby onto that. I don't know, man. I hope it looks badass, but I'm kind of sketched out to do this, especially on the splitter rods, because I'm gonna have to drill into here. This is his Foxbody right here. Still working on it. It's a what, 84 you said? 81? 84 Foxbody. Used to be a state trooper, and it was SSP or something like that. I'm not a Fox guy, so I really don't know. He's been through like 3 Foxes, or what, 4? He's been through like 3 or 4 Foxbodies, an EcoBoost, 5.0, and now he has a 5.0 truck over there. I told him I want to call him out too on that 5.0 truck, because he was talking a lot of smack against my V6 as per usual. I don't know why he was rocking that EcoBoost for a while, but go check him out, guys, on YouTube once again. Forgotten Foxbody. Give him a thumbs up because he's helping me out with the whole splitter and rod install, which is kind of tough in my opinion to do by myself. I do recommend doing it with somebody because it is a hassle, and he's pretty cheap, guys, so go ahead and hit him up for your mechanical needs. He said all I need to pay him is with an Oreo milkshake, and it's a done deal. So it's the best price you could probably get anywhere. So I'm gonna put you doing that. Wouldn't it be easier if we just use a drill?
I didn't find out.
Attachment. I don't know why I always use it. Alright, so I know it's kind of dark, guys. We're trying to beat out the time, but actually the camera picks up the lighting pretty good, so I don't think we'll have an issue with that.
But someone decided to come late.
So what we did, we lined up this splitter, which I'm still not going to use, but it has the holes already, so we're going to use this as a template. We're going to drill into all the holes, because there was no like pre-drilled holes or anything marked, so we're going to use this as a template and go ahead and drill. That way it'll just be a lot easier for us to bolt on there. And then after that, we're going to try to line those support rods, and hopefully it turns out pretty good. How does that look? pretty good. Oh, it's missing the splitter rods, and this is gonna look pretty good, pretty aggressive. Look at this guy. It's your son? What are you doing? I told you it wasn't a good idea. You're gonna mess it up, dude. I told you! Never do this, guys. We're just guesstimating it. Shouldn't be that bad. You did it? Yeah. Let's see. Everything's set up pretty good. We got the rods in there. We just freeballed it. He just like guesstimated the whole thing. But it's on pretty good. Now the only thing next to do is to actually put it on the bumper. Everything came out pretty good. We just lost maybe like 1 or 2 bolts, and I broke a bracket, but the bracket's replaceable. It was like 10 bucks. But I didn't even know it had these little winglets there. It's pretty cool. I actually do like it, and it does have street Aero engraved right in the front. I think we centered it pretty good. We won't find out the flaws till probably tomorrow. So I'm shooting this on day 3. I feel super bad for doing this, but I still wanted to make a video out for you guys. It took 3 days. It's been out of whack. The temperature was off. It was like drizzling, and then it got really cold. They canceled some shows. My wife wasn't here, so I had to take care of the baby, so I didn't have much time to work on the car. It's taking me a span of 3 days to get this done. So let me just show you guys the update on the car. The splitter is on. It's looking really good. No issues whatsoever. My fitment, our measuring was kind of off. It's a little bit more off to the side on this side. I don't know if y'all can tell that on this side, but it's very minimal. Probably like, I don't know, a few centimeters. I mean, it still looks really good. I put the rods on there, the eBay rods, and I mean, they're pretty good. And you have Street Aero engraved right on the splitter. It's not gonna go anywhere. It has all the bolts bolted on. I did add another carbon fiber piece to the door handle. I still need this. I need this. What else do I need? I need the light one. There's a few more little stuff that I need. Also got this one as well. A few other things so I can complete it. So just a quick update, guys, on all the flaws that's going on that still need to get fixed. The windshield still needs to get fixed, but all the other stuff I was able to take care of. The oil change, I dumped out the oil catch can, so everything's looking pretty good. Just need to get a detail. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we are going to be able to go to a show this week. This Saturday is Toy for Tots, so stay tuned for that, guys. Expect a video coming, God willing, this week. I hope you all can forgive me for this video. I tried my best, guys. I absolutely did. Tried making video after video after video, and something came up every time. But don't worry, guys. I'm going to make it up for you. I'm going to try to make some fire content for you guys. But I'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless.